Let's get it. 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes till Tokyo opens. So I'm gonna make this real quick before Tokyo session opens here in 5 minutes. Okay. It is 9:36 a.m. Central Time here. So in 5 minutes, Tokyo is gonna open. So I want you guys to take a look at the market here. Today's Sunday, the 10th of December. Let's look at the weekly chart first and see where our predictions are going. We noticed that US dollar is gaining momentum, looking for 95, a possible 96 at the end of the month here. That's what I'm looking for long term. Now, for the week, we are looking for the price of 95. And to make the stronghold for 94. Let me stop this. Whoops. Bear with me here, guys. So on the 4-hour, US dollar is going to tumble down. So that's the way I see it. US dollar is going to tumble down. Coming back down here. Okay. That's just the way I see it on the 4-hour as soon as the market opens. So when the market opens, what I'm predicting is the gap going down for USD JPY, the gap going down for USD CAD, the gap going down for USD Swiss franc, then the gap going up for Euro, Pound, Australia, New Zealand, and gold. I mean, I'm not saying I'm going to be correct on Australia, New Zealand, all the other pairs, but what I'm seeing here for the US dollar is on the 4-hour is just going to trend down for tonight. That's just the way I see it right now. So that way you guys can get a prediction, just in case if I don't make it back in time to do another video later on. So I'm going to be gone in and out. We got a bunch of early Christmas events to go to. So just to let you guys know what my schedule is going on. So basically that's what I see right now in the 4-hour trend. US dollar opening down, USD JPY opening down, USD CAD opening down. I'll show you guys the 4-hour. USD JPY going down. You see the red candle here starting to shift down. Overbought on the 4-hour, coming back down for a little bit. I don't expect a strong retracement going down. I'm expecting it to maybe just hit somewhere around here, 113, possible 112.9, and then shoot up. Okay. If it keeps dropping, then it's gonna keep dropping, but that's just what I see here. Okay. Let's see here. USD Swiss franc, same setup, going back down. Okay, it's already pretty much down here. So eventually it's going to retrace itself. So you can see if it opens going down around here, okay, it's going to retrace itself because it's already sending the indicator already down far enough. Use the CAD on the 4-hour coming back down. Almost the same setup as US dollar next one. You notice how it's always over. Most of them are overbought. Coming back down here. Okay. Same setup for US dollar and USD JPY, USD CAD. Now USD Swiss franc is on a different level. So USD Swiss franc will probably end up being the first one to retrace it back up first, because of what the indicators are saying. Can I be wrong? Yes, I can. Just be careful on any reversals. But that's what I'm seeing for tonight. Let's see here. What was I gonna say? I'm gonna say something. Gold. Let's get gold here. What? That's not gold. Sorry. This is why I don't like parabolic. Sorry. We remove the parabolic. Sorry. It's in the way. I know. Let me add. Okay. Whoops, that's not it. Sorry. I thought that was RSI. Sorry about that. Okay, so realistically, okay. Let's see here. Shooting up on the 4-hour for gold. RSI, let's see. RSI is just barely getting back up to 30 on the 4-hour here. So gold's gonna open up. We're expecting a price for 1256 on the middle band, a possible 1272 if it goes that high for all nighter. I'm talking about like for the full from the start of Tokyo for 12 hours until the last hour before. So if you look at 6 hours, if you look at 12 hours, 6 p.m. Tokyo opens, and then 6 a.m. My time, that's 12 hours. So you're talking about a strong swing for 12 hours straight if it goes back up here on the 4-hour chart. So totally opposite direction against the U.S. dollar. Let's see here. Daddy's busy. Okay. Let's see here. I'm trying to see. Euro. Same thing. Going back up, but it's already pretty high here on the oscillator. But on RSI, 40. Like I said, I'm expecting euro and pound to open going up for this Sunday gap. So they probably end up going to reach. They're probably going to end up uptrending throughout the night. I would be careful during London opens because it'll end up retracing itself back down. GBP is on a different story. Like I said, the main event is still going on with the Brexit talks, the UK political views, and I would be very, very careful on trading the pound this week because they're supposed to finalize the summit meeting on the 14th and the 15th, which is Thursday and Friday. So there's going to be a lot of negotiation, talking, and agreements. If there is no agreement, then you already know what's going to happen to the pound. The pound is going to send itself back down. So it's going to be it's probably going to be another volatile pair of the week. Probably going to be one of the most volatile pairs of the week. Expect unexpected spikes, retracements, and you're gonna get like you're gonna start seeing like spikes all over the place, and so don't be mistaken if it decides to spike up or down, and it's all because of the political views on the UK side against the European side. So I would be careful on trading trading the pound. Let's see, Australia and New Zealand. So, like I said, I'm expecting what I said. I'm expecting US dollar to tumble back for the night. And here that Australia will probably end up retracing itself back to the 75.6, possible 76.2 range on the 4-hour here. You can see how the RSI is still around 35. Oscillator is around mid-50s. most importantly, you'll be following this first. So still has room to keep going. New Zealand, that's not New Zealand. New Zealand's on a different path, like the pound dropping back. And remember that last week there was nothing particularly, I don't want to say it. There was nothing like, there's no economic news. Now, once I'm done sharing this chart, I'm going to go straight to the economic calendar. So we'll basically, if it doesn't follow what Australia is doing, it ends up going the opposite way. Just like how pound and the euro is opposite. They used to correlate together, but they don't correlate anymore. So just be ready for that. Let me see what else is there. We looked at the dollar, we looked at USD. Let's see what else. I think that's it. Look at the dollar one more time. Yeah, it's gonna drop back for tonight. The way I see it for the dollar. I wouldn't focus too much on what's going on with the Australia economic news for tonight. Tomorrow, I would be focusing on the jolts. And what is this? Yep. The economic outlook for Australia. That would be the two biggest things. Tuesday, all eyes on the pound. It's going to be really crazy for London on that one. Wednesday, we got consumer price index at 7:30 in the morning. So pay attention to that. Let's see what else they got here. Thursday, is this Thursday? Yep, Thursday is going to be one hell of a day for the pound here. Bank of England minutes along with the monetary policy summary, interest rate decision. Now remember, the pound did raise interest rates, but it still shot the pound back down. So what I'm seeing right now is that even though there's a lot of economic news for the pound, still pay attention to what's going on with the Brexit talks with the UK and European Union. Whatever Prime Minister Theresa May is going to say against the European Union, it's whatever they were. She's got the offer. If the offer's not there, it's going to send the pound back down. Thursday is probably going to be the most. Yep, Thursday is going to be the most crucial day. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 red news on a Thursday. So that's probably going to be a lot of money to be made or a lot of money to be lost out. Friday, there's not a whole lot going on. So yeah, I don't even know if it's even worth trading Friday. For medium news, probably not. So Thursday is going to be the biggest heavy news hitter along with Wednesday. Wednesday, oh yeah, I forgot about Wednesday is crucial. We are going to buy the US dollar for the Fed interest rate decision here. Okay? Don't screw this up. I got my eyes on this. Okay? So, got my eyes on buying for the rate hike. So Wednesday and Thursday is going to be the most crucial days of the week. Like I said, if you're trading the pound, you got two heavy news hitters on Tuesday London sessions and Thursday. Where is it? Thursday. Well, Thursday would be the biggest one, but you can see there's a lot of news for the pound. 14 and 15 is the summit talks, which to finish and finalize the UK with the European Union. So, like I said, you're trading the pound, expect the unexpected retracements. Can't stress that enough. So, with that, those are my predictions, my analysis on the 4-hour. US dollar going down for the night, and euro and pound and Australia, New Zealand gold probably will end up retracing back up. Now, I would suggest watching out for the pound in New Zealand because the pound and New Zealand are the ones that are going down versus euro and Australia are the ones going up. So, oh yeah, gold's going up too. So you got different correlations of pairs as what's going on in the direction of where the trend's going. So be aware of that. And so I'm making this video now so you guys can see. That way, if I don't make it back in time, then you can make your own analysis. Let me start recording here.